Hello everyone. Why are we here today? We are here to learn Python. What is Python? We all know that it is a programming language, okay? But I don't say it a programming language only. Why? Because whatever the program that we are going to learn, it is very simple, like a plain English only. So if we know English, we can learn Python. These days, it's not like coding is mandatory, and if we are not having any coding background, we cannot learn Python. It's not like that. Just plain English. And I am going to give you so many examples how you can learn Python in a very simple way. Okay. Let's say we have a value, let's say a equals to 10. Now, if we want to print it in any other language, there is a very lengthy syntax. Like if we talk about Java, it is system.out.println, and we are giving its variable name and all. But no, in Python, it's simply like print a. What would be the output? What would be the output? It is simple. 10. Talking about calculation, let's say we are going to calculate something. Let's say we are having a equals to 10, b equals to 20. Okay, we need to simply calculate a plus b. Simply say print a plus b. What would be the output? It is simple, it is 30. Okay, any coding background is needed? No. The third, logical programming. Logical programming is what? Let's say we are saying a equals to 10, and we are saying if a is greater than 5, then simply print what? Print a is greater than 5. Alright. Now what is the output? No semicolon is needed, in fact. Alright, what would be the output? The output is simple. A is greater than 5. Okay, and that is the reason these days whenever we can learn Python in very simple plain English, that is the reason everyone is using Python, whether he or she is a programmer, a coder, non-coder, program manager, product manager, any management profile. Everyone is using Python, because by using Python, by using this language in a very simple English language, you can automate your task, you can automate your work. Let's say you are having 10 hours of work. By using Python, you can minimize your 10 hours of work in half an hour. Okay. So yeah, and obviously with Python we can use AI also. We can automate any task. Okay. Thank you so much. With Guvi, we will learn everything in detail, like what is Python, how can we automate any stuff using Python and Selenium. Thank you so much.